Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One Step YouTube channel. It's me, Richie Kevin, who's going to be telling you guys how you guys can sign up into Shein and log in into Shein as well. But before that, let me tell you guys what Shein is. Shein is an online store which sells clothes of female and male as well. So basically it's a clothes store. So if you guys have heard about Amazon, then it's similar to Amazon. But in Amazon, everything is available. But in Shein, you can only buy clothes, alright? So basically it's an online store for buying clothes. So that's the basic definition of it. So let's get right into the video on how you guys can log in and sign up into Shein. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. You want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Shein login/sign up. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says sign in Shein. Once you click on sign in Shein, it's going to take you to Shein's official website where you guys can sign in and create a new account. Now to sign in, you want to enter your email address and password on this side, and you want to enter the correct email and correct password. After you enter that, you want to click on sign in and you should be able to sign in into your Shein account. And if you forgot your password, you can click on forget your password and you can recover your Shein account's password as well. And if you created your account using Google or Facebook, you can click on either one of this option and enter your account's information and you should be able to log in into it. Now to create a Shein account, you want to come to this side over here and you want to enter yourself an email address and enter a password for your Shein account and enter it again to confirm it. And you want to choose the style or the preference you want over here and click on this. I agree the privacy and cookie policy and terms and condition. You want to check mark this and click on register, and if you filled up this form correctly, you should be able to register to Shein. So that's basically how you guys can sign in and sign up for Shein. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.